Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Canva and Fotor. So to get started with the review, to help you decide which of these graphic design tools will be your best option in 2025. So to get started, Canva is a comprehensive design platform offering a drag and drop tools with thousands of templates and a powerful AI features like magic design, text to image. It also supports everything from social media graphics to videos, presentations, and even website. Canva also includes Teams collaboration, brand kit, and scheduling, making it ideal for businesses, content creators, and marketers. So talking about Fotor, on the other hand, focused more on photo editing and quick graphics creation. It offers one-click enhancement, AI tools like background removal, and basic design template. It's great for users who prioritize fast image editing and want a lightweight tools for creating thumbnails, posters, or simple social media posts. And here's a rough verdict about these two platforms. So you can easily choose or go with Canva if you want a full-featured design suite with a powerful AI and content creation tools, and you can go with Fotor. On the other hand, if your main need is fast photo edit and simple design. So Canva wins overall in versatility and creative power, while Fotor is best for quick photo focused task. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two these two platforms, which is Canva and Fotor. And if you find the review a bit helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.